Yeah, Brace Nitro. Hear me now, Toronto. This one is called Kill them all. We are the Toronto people. Yeah. Bring ding, doctor. Hear me now.
Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nowhere to run to.
Tell them.
Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nitro, I go murder you, murder you.
Yes.
We go pay them a visit before the cock crow. Take away them things just like the repo. Nitro import the gun them from over my throat. Give them capital punishment like death row. Retarded as fuck them and know themselves. Nitro rockle them teeth like buckle pan shell. Bun boy, the fool them till they know themselves. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nowhere to run to.
Tell them.
Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nitro, I go murder you, murder you.
Yeah.
Here we have this, I know them can't reach. Them want to Frisco, and them full of big speech. Them full of big speech and them back it tip weak. Why that walk with name and a jog it like leash. Them claim them a shatter and them no stop bleach. Them boy they are fruit, so we call them beat. The ratings of them have money just get decrease. Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nowhere to run to.
Tell them.
Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nitro, I go murder you, murder you.
Yes. Yeah. Brace Nitro. Hear me now, Toronto. This one is called Kill them all. We are the Toronto people. Yeah. Yeah. Brace Nitro. Hear me now, Toronto. This one is called Kill them all. We are the Toronto people. Yeah. Bring ding, doctor. Hear me now.
Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nowhere to run to.
Tell them.
Are your friend them about you?
Yes.
But them can't help you. No, look where it come to. Nitro, I go murder you, murder you.
Yes.
We go pay them a visit before the cock crow. Take away them things just like the repo. Nitro import the gun them from over my throat. Give them capital punishment like death row. Retarded as fuck them and know themselves. Nitro rockle them teeth like buckle pan shell. Bun boy, the fool them till they know themselves. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are